Hi! Today I'm going to show you how to make chocolate mochi cookies. You can bake the cookies by air fryer or convection oven. Let's look at the ingredients first. You may find a complete list of instructions and ingredients by clicking the little arrow in description. Let's prepare the mochi first. Mix glutinous flour, tapioca starch, and cornstarch together. Then add sugar, milk, and cream and mix it well. Add melted butter and mix well. Steam the mixture for 20 minutes. Let's prepare the cookie dough now. Beat butter, sugar, and salt until thick. Add egg yolks and beat well. Add milk and beat well. Mix flour, cocoa powder, baking powder, and baking soda together. Gradually add the flour into the butter mixture while beating. Beat until fully incorporated. Add chocolate chips and mix into a dough. Wrap the dough with plastic and freeze for 20 minutes. Scrape out the mochi dough after steaming. Wrap the mochi dough with plastics and freeze for 30 minutes. Remove cookie dough and divide it into 28 balls, each weigh about 30 grams. Preheat air fryer at 335 Fahrenheit or convection oven at 350 Fahrenheit. Remove mochi dough from freezer. Divide it into 28 balls, each weigh about 15 grams. Wrap each mochi with one cookie ball. Place the cookies onto the tray of air fryer or baking tray for convection oven. Air fry at 320 Fahrenheit for 20 minutes or convection bake at 325 Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. The chocolate mochi cookies are ready to serve.